growth of many factories?
Excellent. I can tell you read over your notes. The fast growth of factories. Now, what about urbanization? Is true?
People left the countryside and went to the cities to find work.
Right. Someone else who did their homework. They left the countryside and they went into the cities to find work in the factories. Now, remember we listened to a record last week on you can't keep them down in the farms? This left the farmers without a lot of labor to help them do the farm work because their sons and the farm laborers were leaving. Okay, now today we're going to have two new words also. We're going to have destitute, which means in great need of food and shelter. Yes?
Is that the same as the street person?
That's great. That's exactly what it is. I'm going to write that in here. A street person. Someone that has nowhere to stay and has no food. Or no way to feed themselves. Okay. Then we're going to discuss status, which is a person's relationship to others as defined by law. But today, that person is going to be children. So it's the children's relationship to adults as defined by law. Okay. We've got three topics that we're going to discuss today. We're going to discuss how farmers attempted to solve labor problems by bringing over orphans from Britain. They brought over a number of orphans in order to have a cheap source of labor. We're going to compare the personal life and experiences of some of these orphans with what would happen to orphans today. And then we're going to conclude how the status of children has changed in less than 100 years. I'm having trouble reading my own writing. Okay. So we'll start with the orphans that the farmers brought over. Who were these orphans? I'm just going to turn the light out. Not that one.
You want to get that one first.
Oh well. We'll just look at it with the lights up.
Down gently, straight.
Who were these orphans? Well, they came from two groups. They were either destitute. Who remembers the word of the definition of destitute?
In need of food and shelter?
Great. Or else their parents were in the poorhouse. In the workhouses in industrial England, remember the industrialization, we had growth in urban poverty. Well, these were the results of the growth in urban poverty. These were the orphans. And someone came up with a great idea of solving the British problem of overcrowded orphanages and also the Canadian problem of farmers needing labor by coming up with one solution, sending the orphans over. So there were approximately 30,000 orphans that were sent to Canada to work on farms. They were ages 8 to 16, but most of them were 12 or 13. That's your age. They were sent mainly to Ontario, but some went east and some went west. But not very, very few of them had any farm experience. Now, what I would do now, if it were my class, I would have the organizer that's in the back of my handout. But we will skip that, and we will go now to the personal story of some of these orphans. We'll be looking at pictures of some orphan children. They're not necessarily the children of the story, but when we see the adult slides, that is the person whose story it is.
Charles Goddard. I have been